evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Maniatopoulos, and I'm the CEO of Yodiwo. Do you know that in every minute, 12,000 new devices are connected to the network, and that will lead to about 25 billion new connections by 2020. Also, it is a fact that we experience the evolution of cloud intelligence coming from sophisticated algorithms running on the cloud. By leveraging those two facts, the Internet of Things can dramatically reduce overhead and improve productivity and efficiency in verticals such as retail and wholesale, transportation, facility management, health, education, and many others. But to make this happen, we need to deal with the major challenges of this technology, such as security, privacy, connectivity, decipherability, and much more that currently discouraged the companies to invest on this technology, and therefore significant opportunities are lost. And there is only one solution to change this, and this is to provide better tools for developers, or in other words, a platform like the one we have created in Yodiwo. In Yodiwo, we classify the digital world in order to make it simple. So we have devices that generate data like sensors, devices that consume data like actuators, storage systems, analytics that generate data for the storage systems, third-party services that we are all familiar with and we can leverage instead of developing new ones in order to get notifications and control other devices. We have our mobile phones, of course, and desktop applications, very advanced applications that we can run there, and we have the cloud server that need to manage all this. But this is not enough. We need to have some assistant for the cloud server because we have a lot of diverse technologies. And this is what, in our world, we call fog instead of cloud. And we also need to provide very simple and user-friendly interfaces for the developers to develop these applications. And last but not least, we need to be prepared for the day after, which is to make the new generation of devices that will be directly connected to the cloud. And Yodiwo addresses all these challenges based on a patented technology that can reduce the development time of industrial IoT applications even up to 10 times. We are in a market with a rapid growth driven by the high demand for industrial IoT applications. And our addressable market, total addressable market, is estimated to be about $16 billion by 2024. To give you an idea how our today's paying customers use this platform, I have selected to present the maintenance system for air conditioning, where our customers put sensors in various places, even to detect how clean is the filter by putting some pressure sensors. And those data are collected by our fog system. And then using this nice environment, we can generate user stories. And those user stories force the data to go through analytics running on our cloud, and the results are stored in a database, and we can also produce notifications for managers to see if there are any alarms that they should be aware of. And this is exactly how our customer made that in record time. All the components, all the sensors, all the logic are virtualized on the left and are represented by boxes that we drag and drop, and then we interconnect them, and then we save and deploy. We configure the blocks so that the same blocks can be reused in other applications. And it is not only this nice environment and user-friendly environment that differentiates us from the market, from the competition, but it's also the ability to integrate with third-party platforms, something that has been recognized by big customers, by big companies, as I will show you later. It is a new feature that we bring in the market, which is called think sharing, which allows communities, which allows group of people to exchange the use of their things and create distributed applications. It is what we bring in the market for first time, which is auto fog cloud partitioning. In other words, functions that are running in a distributed way, and that improves security, latency, and robustness. And finally, it's the only platform today that can run analytics on real-time services like videos. Our business model is the platform as a service where service providers and system integrators use our platform to develop services for their end clients. And currently, we are specialized in 3 sectors. We have paying customers in 3 sectors. Those are retail and wholesale, smart objects, where we have a big collaboration with the #1 vendor of microcontrollers in the world, and facility management. We are a young company. We founded Yodiwo in January 2015, and we are already 23 people, and we managed to break even in less than a year. We experienced a high growth, and we estimate that with the money that we are seeking from investors, we will reach our goal, which is to exceed $11 million in less than 2 years from now, and have a significant margin. And currently, we have secured almost $1 million funding, and we proceed according to the plan. Our success is guaranteed by a team of veterans in IoT and wireless business, and we have been working together in big companies and startup companies for more than 10 years, and we have a senior professional in these areas in our board located abroad and helping us to expand our business there. We have a very concrete growth plan that will lead to an exit. Desired exit for us is an IPO because we trust a lot our technology and we believe that there is a great future there. But it's very likely that an M&A will happen because it is a very highly consolidated market. The last 3 months, we have won 2 competitions organized by Microsoft, one in Greece and the other in Europe. We won the first prize for our platform, Yodiwo, that connects Azure with third-party services, and we exploited the success of this platform to close a collaboration and an agreement for partnership with IBM. Thank you very much. And I hope in the Q&A session you will ask me, what is this?
Well done, Alex. I know you were aiming initially for 8 minutes presentation. So
yeah, I'm sorry if I was a few seconds late.
You did well. You covered all questions.
Can I just ask, are you at all concerned about the big guys enforcing their own integration standards? You know, like
yes, we are
5G or SIM virtualization by Google and all that?
Yes, we are very concerned about that. No, actually we are aware of that, and I wouldn't say that we are concerned. I say that we follow them. We want things to be standardized in this industry. It is good for us, it is good for the industry, but it is not always that this will happen anytime soon, unfortunately. And until then, Yodiwo has this holistic view in order to address all the incompatibilities, all the diverse technologies, and this is what has been appreciated by companies like Microsoft and IBM. And actually, we do not consider them, by the way, as competitors because we complete them. The cloud, IoT cloud providers currently but provide the API and tell the manufacturers, you can reach my cloud. But they don't have good solutions for the connectivity, for what we call the last mile in the sensor side. And this is how we complete them with the ability to merge standards and things.
Just one more thing, and it's a practical question. Is there a need for third-party hardware producers to have Yodiwo sort of interfacing or not?
Good question. Maybe I didn't mention that our FOG technology, which is the only software coming from us requiring a hardware to run, it's a cross-platform software and can run even in a mobile phone, even in a Raspberry Pi, even in your computer, provided that this computer is in the same local area network where the sensors are. In addition, we also provide hardware, a very low-cost hardware compared to the capabilities of this FOG technology. And in that way, we are flexible to deal with various requirements depending on the cost and the problem we have to solve.
Alex, I will exercise the host's privilege and ask you one thing.
This is the first wireless selfie stick.
Please explain.
Okay. The button here is from my smartwatch. Okay? This is the button here. The button triggers the camera of this mobile phone. Those two are not connected, but it goes through the cloud. The camera, those two cameras is the same block. The camera will send the photo to the other mobile phone here, as well as to my PCs. So if you want to join me later outside for a selfie, please come and I will show you how it works.
Thank you.
You mentioned facilities management. That's a huge market. How do you plan to attack that market?
What is the strategy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We have been recognized by very big, let's say, by those that control several verticals in this IoT market. Like, for instance, in IoT processors. The vertical I presented before, smart object, actually in our world is called IoT processor. And we are talking about processors that will come in 2-3 years from now. In all verticals, we have partners, very strong partners, like IBM. Today we spoke with Nokia. They found our solution, especially those unique features, very attractive. So, and at the end of the day, we do not talk to the end customers. This is the job of our clients, which is system integrators and service providers, and this is how we achieve scalability.
Can you say 2 words about your intellectual property?
About?
Your intellectual property.
Okay, yes, good question. We have a patent pending, US patent pending. Actually, we passed the provisional phase, and now we are in non-provisional phase. We will soon have to answer, the judges from auditors. But this is, as far as we have searched, we are going to have unique claims there, which protect our folk technology mostly, and all the features that are coming due to this technology, which is unique.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Alex.